Let's make a cocktail with baked beans. Why? Because nobody's done it and it just might be the thing that the cocktail world is really missing right now. Looking at the ingredients here, you've got beans, obviously. You've got tomato, 36% tomato, water, sugar, starch, salt, paprika, onion powder. You know what I'm hearing? I'm hearing Bloody Mary. We're going to grab a blender. Also important, scales. We are professionals. Remember that. We want to do things by the book. First thing I'm going to go in is with a Bloody Mary classic. It is vodka. Cheap, unbranded vodka. Wouldn't want to waste anything too expensive on a baked bean cocktail. So let's see where we can get with this. Do 150 grams of vodka. We'll add 50 grams of unstrained, unfiltered baked beans. Alright, so the ingredients are prepped. We have our bean infused vodka and we also have the tomato juice that's in the beans. I had to put a bit of water in there. It was a little bit viscous, so I had to mix it with a little water, but it's still going to work. We've also got the bean can, which I've washed out for some reason and filled with ice. We can start constructing this deconstructed can of baked beans. So we've got a double shot of the bean vodka going in, and then we're also going to do about however much we've got of the tomato juice. 100 millilitres of tomato juice. Now, as this is a take on the Bloody Mary and we are professionals, we're going to add some of those classic Bloody Mary flavours. So we're going to go in with about 3 drops of Worcester sauce. 1, 2, 3. Why not? Let's do 4. We're all friends here. Let's go for it. Then we have some sriracha, bit of spice. Everyone likes a bit of spice. Give that whole thing a nice stir just to combine. And to garnish that, something in contrast with all that spice, all that redness, all that tomato, all that bean juice. Something herbaceous, bright, fragrant, basil. And there we have it. That right there, that is the baked bean cocktail. Deconstructed can of baked beans, reconstructed into a cocktail. This, in a trendy London speakeasy, that'll go for like £20–25 a pop. Definitely tastes like baked beans. It ain't bad, you know. From someone who loves baked beans, this is not a bad tasting cocktail. Should it be done? Probably not. But is it terrible? No, it's not. Am I going to leave the recipe within the description in case anyone wants to make it? Yeah, I will. Will you make it? Probably not, but there we go. Baked bean cocktail, can it be made? Yes, yes it can.